In the box we have a formula which will help us make explicit formulas for geometric sequences. So essentially what the formula is saying is that any term is equal to the first term times the common ratio, and you want to multiply it by the common ratio 1 less than the index of that term. And we kind of talked about that in the previous problems, where if you want to get the fifth term, you need to multiply by the common ratio 4 times. So it's always 1 less. So that's where the formula is coming from. Determine the common ratio R, explicit formula AN, and the 10th term A10. Okay, A1 is equal to 2. My common ratio is 3 because I'm multiplying by 3 every time. So my explicit formula is going to be 2 times 3 to the n minus 1. If you want to write it like without parentheses, you can. Just don't combine the 2 and the 3 into a 6, because we can't do that because of order of operations. Okay, so I still need to find the 10th term, so I need to plug in 10, and A10 is equal to 39,366. Looking at number 9, my first term is 1/5. My common ratio is 5 because I'm multiplying by 5 each time to get to the next term. So my formula, my explicit formula, is 1/5 times 5 raised to the n minus 1. Then I want to plug in 10, and a 10 is equal to 390,625.